Hey guys, here I will introduce how you can use D7 SMS integration on customer.io. For demo purpose, I will use HTTP webhook as the source. First, go to the source on left side of the dashboard, then click on Add Source. Search for HTTP, then click on Next, Connect HTTP. This will give us an HTTP endpoint with an authentication. Then click on Test Connection. The connection is successful. Click on Complete Setup, then View Connection. Now go to the right top side and click on Add Destination. Search for webhook. Then click on Choose Source. Now choose the HTTP as the source. Click on Connect Webhook. Rename it to D7 SMS. Click on Review Destination. Click on Enable Webhook. Now click on Edit Destination. Here we have to configure the parameters. Click on Actions, then Add Actions. Now select Action as Send. If you need to add any trigger parameters, you can configure here. Here I will choose the same trigger parameter, which is coming in HTTP. Select the trigger to identify. Now inside the data structure, first we have to give the URL. Paste the URL in the box. It's rest-api.d7networks.com/secure/send. Select the HTTP method into post. For the batch events, select false. For the header part, click on Add Key Value. Add Authorization. Here you have to add the token which is received from D7. For the payload part, click on Edit Key Value. Add From. For testing purpose, I will add customer.io. This will be your registered sender ID. Then click on Add Key Value and Add To. You can fetch the destination number directly from source. Here I will use the mobile number in Traits. Add traits.mobile and add key value. Then add content. After that, click on Save Actions. After that, test it from Postman. Here you can see a new hit came. In the Data Out tab, you can see the results. It is executed, and now you can see the success reply. Thank you.